Mines is a special place because you're surrounded by like-minded people who are interested in the same things you are.
Our students come from all over the country. They're high-achieving students, they're hard-working students from a variety of backgrounds. We're lucky to get them here in Golden, Colorado.
I think when students come to Mines, they know they're going to get hands-on experience. They're not just going to show up and sit in a classroom and be lectured at.
You are connecting with other students that are passionate about putting engineering into context, in making a difference, having an impact beyond what they're learning in the classroom.
Making friends, getting them connected with resources, joining student organizations, learning about who they are. You're leaving high school and your parents and your family, and coming and really making a new family.
Students are attracted to Mines for a variety of reasons. They can do civil engineering here, petroleum engineering, but they have the opportunity to be in leadership roles, to work on professional development. There's great outdoor recreation here in Colorado.
Mines is a place that more often than not you can really get involved and you can make a difference. We are still a smaller community that cares about everybody.
Once you become a part of one of these great Mines communities, you're always going to be a part of that.
Really have the opportunity to thrive, and I think that follows them when they leave Mines.
They have more than one opportunity, as many opportunities as they seek out to be global thinkers, to be change makers, to make an impact on the world, to be hell of an engineers.